When an employee is fired from their job and then applies to a new company, is it common practice that that prospective employer will find out from the old company that the employee got fired? My name is Craig Levy, and I'm an employment law attorney. When I'm discussing the pros and cons of an employee being fired from their job instead of resigning, one of the comments I hear most from employees is they would rather resign because it will help them get their next job. I can tell you from my experience that many companies have a policy that says if a prospective employer contacts them regarding an old employee, they will only confirm their dates of employment and title. The company specifically will not state whether the employee was fired or resigned because they don't want to open themselves up to potential legal liability. For example, companies don't want that old employee coming back and suing them for tortious interference or some type of defamation. With that being said, I'm not naive, and I understand that there are certain circumstances where there could be phone calls or behind-the-scenes discussions where the old company does tell the prospective employer that the employee was fired. With all that being said, in my opinion, employees generally speaking are far too concerned that a new employer will find out that they were fired. In most cases, it's up to the employee themselves to explain to the prospective employer why they parted ways with their old company.